Hey Jillian, I think the easiest way to sort out the typing in Chinese is just to make a quick video for you. Uh, that's my little 13-month-old son in the background playing with his toys, so just ignore that. So here's where I think you're having a problem. Um, I toggle on my Chinese, there we go, and when you're typing the pinyin, for example, ni, okay, and you'll notice when I type ni that there are several characters that come up. So you just can't hit the space bar thinking that it's going to bring up the correct one. It just so happens that in this case, the first one is the correct one. So I select it. And then jiao. Okay. So I have to look again, and it just so happens that the first one is also the one I want. So I select it. And you'll see here I type 什么, and the first one again is the one I want. And then 名字, and the first one again is the one I want. But you can't assume that each time you type that the one you want is going to come up. And generally, if you just type it all in, let me do this again for you. If I just type it all in before I select it, okay, is it lets me go back and re-choose. See, I can toggle back and forth with the left and right arrows, and it will give me a chance to change them. And I can do that whenever there's this dotted line underneath. I don't know if you can see this dotted line. So when the character's there, I select it. So let's see. That's fine. Let me see if I can come up with a. Let's try this. Let's try this. Li. Okay. So here we have Li Xiaojie. Alright, so it came up with the right one. But if I just type Li and I just hit the space bar, it's going to choose this first one, which is wrong. This Li also sounds like Li, but it has a completely different meaning. This actually means inside. It's the second one here that I want. This is the last name, Li. So in order to select that when I'm typing, I have to either use my right arrow. No, I can't use my right arrow key. I either have to hit the number 2 key with my finger at the top, you know, the number keys. I can click number 2 and then it comes up, or I can take my mouse and put it over the number 2 and click the left mouse button, and it comes up as well. Okay, so just make sure when you're typing that you're choosing the right ones. Typing the pinyin is only part of it. Choosing the correct characters is then the second part, because you have a choice here. Let me know if this solves your problem. Go back into the forum and try to retype it again. Try to retype, I think it was 你叫什么名字 is what you were trying to type. So go back and try to retype it again. This time making sure that you're selecting the right characters. Okay, please do that as soon as you can. Thanks. Bye.